indicators. Let's take a look at $DXY, and we'll see that story right in here as we'll blow this up, and you can see the inverted head and shoulders that has been forming in there, and you could say it's broken out. It hasn't really done so decisively, but I think it's going to do so in the next couple of weeks when it makes its bottom. So it might be 3 or 4 weeks away before you really start to move up in any significant way. Right there, and a pretty clear inverted head and shoulders that you're looking at, which points up to over 96. And here we're to make the measurement. That cycle, this rising phase that we're in, you could see really quite strong, moved up well beyond that 78.6%. A break below the 78.6% and a rally back to the 78.6% is more rare than not. I would rate that at less than 30%. Maybe 20% even, and usually when you get down this far, the next rallies are not that strong. There is a monthly cycle that is pushing on the upside in here, and that I think is the reason for that. The upside targets that we're showing in here, in this top of this upward channel, up around 94, this is resistance up here around 94 and a fraction, and then way up in the 95s and 6s are where the next ones come in. So we would expect that starting as soon as this minor correction is over, the dollar will get legs on the upside again. And you can see in here this points to 1 or 2 weeks. Look at the momentum in there. You could see the slim ribbon PO. Look what the slim ribbon PO told you on the way down. All of these indications it was going to continue on the downside. Then it turned neutral right over here in green. You could see that when this turns green, it's when the slim ribbon is positive. When this turns red, it's when the slim ribbon is negative, and when it gives you the signals on the downside, it's highly likely that it will be moving to the downside. When it gives you the signals on the upside, it's highly likely it will be moving again to the upside. It's a little flat right over here, as you could see, as we're in this corrective period that probably has, we're just going to call it 4 to 8 trading sessions before it then turns up again, and then we think we see a stronger dollar then.